Hello friends, and in this video, as I promised, I'll tell you what you need to do with cucumber seedlings to get a powerful plant growth and a quick, abundant harvest of cucumbers. And in this video, we will talk about the formation of cucumbers. I just planted all these cucumbers yesterday because it's only now that it's warm in our region. Cucumbers should not be planted or sown until the night temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That's why my seedlings have overgrown and look still weak, but yesterday I showed you what I put under the cucumbers to give the plant strength, and now with this formation I will help it grow green mass faster. It will also start growing upwards faster. A big harvest will be laid here, and for this you need to do the following. In the first 3 internodes, you need to remove all the suckers and all the cucumbers. They are still quite small and therefore can be easily removed with your fingers, both cucumbers and suckers. The mustache does not need to be removed. They do not pull nutrients from the bush, but if they bother you, you can cut them off. But this is extra work, and this needs to be done because the plant is still small, weak, and is already beginning to form suckers and crops, which further depletes the plant. If you don't remove it, it will start growing and taking over the soap from the cucumber plant. Thus, we will get the first small harvest in the form of 1 or 2 cucumbers. But during this time, the plant will practically stop growing. The leaves will not grow, and therefore the plant will grow very slowly and will slowly give its harvest. And by removing these cucumbers, we direct the nutrients upwards. The plant will start growing faster, more cucumbers will be formed in the internodes, and you will see this after this formation in a few days. So don't worry, remove it, and then you will see how the plant will react quickly to it. And also, in a few days, I will do liquid fertilization in order to activate all the fertilizers that I put under the plant to further accelerate the growth of cucumbers and speed up the first harvest. And during the season, you need to remove all the suckers that grow in the internodes. They will appear here. This applies to all hybrid cucumbers that you grow on a trellis as well as in a greenhouse. Varietal cucumbers do not form like this. In the next videos, I will demonstrate how to do this because hybrids lay a large harvest mainly on the central stem, and varietal ones, on the contrary, lay only male flowers here, and female flowers are formed on the suckers. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss this video where I will tell and show you everything in detail. I wish you a good day and great harvests. Be sure to form your cucumbers correctly and you are guaranteed to get a great harvest. I will continue to do this, so I will see you in the next videos.